Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to see the debit card number on the Wells Fargo app. First things first, of course, you're going to go and open up the Wells Fargo app and log in, right? If you don't have the app already, download it from the Apple App Store for iPhone, Google Play Store for Android if you have not done that already. Open up the app, log in with your username and password. And then what you need to do, guys, is you need to go ahead and select your debit card. So on the home screen, go ahead and tap on your checking account, scroll down and locate your debit card details. And then you just need to access digital card information. Right tap on your debit card to open card controls or manage card settings section. Look for an option like view card details. Okay, go ahead and do that. Or you can also click on show card number. Some users may actually need to verify the identity using things like Face ID, fingerprint, or a security code. And then once verified, your full debit card number, expiration date, and CVV may be displayed. And for security reasons, the number may only be visible for a short time. And if you're making an online purchase, you can copy your card details directly from the app. And for added security, if you want, you can also consider using the Wells Fargo digital wallet. Okay, you can use, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even Samsung Pay. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.